Happy Monday, investors. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for joining me. This is your Power Hour update for June 21st, 2021. I'm your host, Richard Allen. It's the first day of summer. Hope you guys are all doing great. It's been like 90 degrees, 95, 100 degrees here in Minnesota, and today it was in the 50s. So happy summer. I hope you guys are a little warmer than I am today, but we're going to jump in. We're going to talk about all the major news that you need before the market closes. We have LiveVox and their SPAC merger. We have BioNTech doing some amazing stuff with cancer research. And lastly, we have Roku, and they're a streaming giant, but they're expanding their original content. So we're going to talk about that as well before getting into the top losers and gainers in the market. So stick around to the end. I think you're going to love this video. Let's jump right over to TipRanks.com. We're going to check out the major indices. Guys, it was not a good week for the major indices last week. In fact, the Dow Jones had the worst week in months, and they are up 1.8% today, or almost 600 points. The S&P 500 up 1.4% today, up almost 60 points. And then we have the NASDAQ up 0.68%, trading over 14,000 points. And Bitcoin, wow, down 9.3% today, trading under 33,000, really close to 32,000. We'll see. There's a lot of people making some crazy videos about Bitcoin, saying it's time for it to go down for a little while. So we'll see. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, okay? All right, and first bit of news, we're going to talk about LiveVox to become a public company following their SPAC merger with Crescent Acquisition Corp. So Crescent Acquisition Corp, CRSA, is taking LiveVox, a leading cloud-based provider of customer services and digital engagement tools. Stock isn't doing so well today. We'll talk about that here in a second. But starting tomorrow, market open, CRSA will change to LVOX and these other two ticker symbols respectively, depending on if you're still trading the units and warrants. If you guys don't know what those are for SPACs, just ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer that question, but those are related to the SPAC. Now, again, CRSA will change over to LVOX starting tomorrow. So let's see how CRSA is doing today. Not great, as I said, down 2% today. However, this does come in with a moderate buy rating based on two recent analyst ratings, with an average upside now of 73, almost 74%. All right, in other news, we have BioNTech beginning patient dosing in their phase 2, get this, cancer vaccine trial. That's right, cancer vaccine. BioNTech is working on a cancer vaccine for late stage 3 and stage 4 melanoma. This is amazing, amazing work that they're doing. And this trial has been approved in the US, UK, Australia, Poland, Italy, Germany, and Spain. The trial plans to enroll 120 patients and will evaluate the impact of BNT111 mixed with a drug and also on their own. So, wow, amazing, amazing stuff coming out of BioNTech. But how are they doing on this news? Up 6% on the day, trading over $224 today. However, if you take a peek at the stock, this comes in with a hold rating based on 9 analyst ratings, with an average downside now of just over 19%. But if they get a cancer vaccine approved and ready, wow, life-changing, really life-changing, life-saving, crazy stuff. So I would absolutely love to see this all go through and get approved. So, all right, last bit of news I want to cover is Roku providing updates on their Roku originals. Back in May, on May 20th, they actually launched 30 original series featuring major stars, including Kevin Hart, Anna Kendrick, Jennifer Lopez, and more. Hopefully it does better than Quibi. We'll see. I don't know if any of you guys signed up for Quibi, but that didn't go well. But Roku's massive. I doubt that they're going to have issues or the issues that Quibi had, because if you take a peek at how the Roku channel specifically is doing, they actually have an estimated viewership of 70 million in the US. That's fantastic. So that's really, really good news, because if you look at HBO Max or something, that's the number they're trying to get to 70 million. So this is good stuff. All right. How is the stock doing on this news? Up 4% today, in fact. And this comes in with a strong buy rating based on 18 analyst ratings, with an average upside of almost 17%. Fantastic for Roku. Ticker symbol Roku. All you got to do is spell it out. Guys, top gainers, top losers in the market. Let's cover those real quick. In the number 5 spot, top losers down 9.5%. Hutchinson, China, Meditech, HCM is the ticker symbol there. We have Monday.com Limited, almost 10% down on the day. Ticker symbol MNDY. And then we up FinTech Holdings, ticker symbol TIGR, down 8.7% today. Followed by Sana Biotechnology, ticker symbol SANA, down 7.5% today. And in the number 1 spot, MicroStrategy, MSTR, down over 10% on the day. All right, in the top gainers list, we have Liberty Oilfield Services in the number 5 spot, ticker symbol LBRT, up 11.5% on the day. Followed by Cassava Sciences in the number 4 spot, ticker symbol SAVA, up almost 12% on the day. And then we have Figs Incorporated Class A, ticker symbol FIGS, up almost 13% on the day. And then Context Logic, ticker symbol WISH, up 15.4% on the day, followed by Globostar in the number 1 spot, GSAT, 18% up on the day. If you check some of the stocks that were up in a massive amount pre-market, like Torch and some others, those are up 50 to 60%, so, 40 to 50% in some cases. So those aren't on this list because they were up so much pre-market. So just kind of keep that in mind. Guys, I do this every Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love to have you join me. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday when I post, and then bright and early in the morning before the market opens so you can get all the news you need when Julie posts as well. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m.